In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze frame video on CapCut PC. If you want to pause a specific moment in your video and hold it on screen as a still frame before the action continues, CapCut makes this really simple. This is a great effect for emphasizing a reaction, highlighting an important detail, or just adding a dramatic pause to your edit. The nice thing is that you can do it directly on the timeline in just a few clicks. To get started, first find the exact moment you want to freeze. Go down to track lane 1 and click on your video clip to select it. Once the clip is selected, drag the vertical playhead along the clip until it lands on the exact frame you want to hold. Take your time here because the freeze frame will be created from whatever frame the playhead is resting on. If needed, zoom in on your timeline beforehand so you can position the playhead more accurately and choose the perfect moment. Once your playhead is on the right frame, it's time to create the freeze frame. Look just above your timeline tracks for the small editing toolbar. In that toolbar, click the freeze icon. As soon as you do that, CapCut automatically handles the effect for you. It splits the original clip at that point, creates a still image from the selected frame, and inserts that freeze frame directly where the playhead was placed. This saves a lot of time compared to manually exporting a frame or building the effect from scratch. After the freeze frame appears on your timeline, the final step is adjusting how long that pause stays on screen. Click directly on the highlighted freeze clip block so you know you're editing the correct section. Then drag the outer right edge of that freeze clip to make the pause longer or shorter. By default, CapCut usually sets the freeze duration to about 3 seconds, but you can easily customize it depending on the pacing of your video. A shorter freeze can feel quick and energetic, while a longer one can create more emphasis. When you're done adjusting the length, press the spacebar to preview your edit. Watch the video play through and make sure the motion pauses smoothly and then continues naturally. If the timing feels off, just drag the edge again until it looks right. And that's it. You've successfully frozen a frame in CapCut PC, and your video is ready for that clean pause effect.